Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to sign up and get started with AlemHealth Connect. In this video, we'll walk you through the registration process and give you a quick overview of what you can do once you're inside the platform. To begin, navigate to the AlemHealth homepage. Click on the Sign Up button. Click the Create Account button. You'll be prompted to select your user type. Please note, this sign-up flow works for all roles except patients. Patient registration will be covered in a separate video. Next, fill in the required information. Your full name, phone number, email address. Create and confirm your password. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Continue. Once your personal details are entered, you'll be asked to create your group. For this demonstration, we'll name the group Test. After entering the group name, click Get Started. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after signing up. Open the email and click on the verification link. This link will redirect you to the login page. Use the same email address and password you created during sign up to log in. Once logged in, welcome to AlemHealth Connect. At the top of the platform, you'll see a question mark icon. Clicking this gives you access to support pages and helpful documentation whenever you need assistance. Tokens are used for AI-related activities within the platform. You can purchase additional tokens directly through the platform whenever needed. To help you explore the system, AlemHealth provides a quick start guide. You are already assigned 2 demo studies so you can test and experience the main features. Through the quick start guide, you can try AI-assisted reporting, access your worklist, share reports, use the QC assistant, invite facilities, or complete your profile. This makes it easy to get familiar with the platform right away. And that's it. You're now ready to begin using AlemHealth Connect. From sign up to exploring AI-powered reporting and workflow tools, everything is designed to help you work more efficiently and collaboratively. If you need assistance at any time, remember to use the help icon inside the platform. Thank you for watching and welcome to AlemHealth.